So it started off with like weed here and there, drinking, and then it kind of escalated. When I first started using, it's not what I thought was going to happen. So I would say anxiety and depression and substance abuse go hand in hand rather well, unfortunately. Whether it's one leads to the other or that one leads to that one, it's just kind of a vicious cycle of I have a lot of anxiety, depression, whatever it is that you're going through or feeling, and then use a drug or a drink, and you're like, hey, this kind of makes me feel better, and then just right then, and then it kind of cycles through to where it doesn't, because it only lasts that short while of feeling good, and then you're like, all right, well, now I want more of that feeling good, so you just kind of go, and it's just non-stop cycle that you, and yeah. On a sciencey level, when you don't have them, your dopamine levels are down, so it's you don't feel good like you would normally without those things. So your brain is like, I need those things to feel better, and but like they don't make you feel better in the, yeah.
In the long run.
In the long run of things, but you don't even realize you're going down that downslope until you're almost towards the bottom, and then you're scrambling and you're like, what happened? I still, to this day struggle with anxiety, depression. It's gotten to the point where I can manage it and be okay and live a happy life. But it sucks, being depressed or being anxious, especially being young and being those things, because you have enough going on in your life with school and friends and everything. Never mind, make it 10 times more difficult. And then for me, drugs and alcohol made that 20 times more difficult, because what I thought was helping, it really didn't help. It might have helped in that exact moment when I was drinking, like the next day or whenever, really. It made my anxiety and depression worse, because you're so dependent on those chemicals.